the most ultra-portable footwear in the world.
Awesome. I mean, they're like super cool.
Skinners are light, yet very durable. They fit into your pocket, don't slip, and have a cooling effect. And best of all,
Get out! Seriously?
yep, you can throw them in the washer. Skinners were designed to be worn anywhere, anytime.
Like at our wedding?
Okay, well, almost anytime. If you're tired of carrying an extra pair of shoes with you all the time, try Skinners. They're lightweight, portable comfort. Simply put, it's footwear tuned to perfection.
I get it. So, I can have Skinners with me all the time. Like when we take a trip to Japan again.
Our patent-pending technology says goodbye to glues and seams that can fall apart over time. Skinners are manufactured in Europe, using the finest Swedish materials with a dual coating of extra durable anti-abrasive polymer.
The synthetic solar case is a lifestyle concept that is designed to serve the contemporary human need to be connected. With such a powerful communication tool in our hands that has rendered us capable of creating, exchanging, and reproducing information vital to our existence, we are in need of a steady and constant source of energy. Synthetic wants to provide you with a source of energy that will never fail you and allow you to enjoy the freedom to communicate limitlessly. We have done this by creating a solar case charger for the iPhone 6 and 7. Our case has the best solar panel on the market, encased in a product made of Apple-certified parts, allowing you to safely use your iPhone. The synthetic solar case is light, slim, and meticulously designed to fit with the aesthetics of your iPhone. The battery inside the case allows for at least 40% of additional power, enabling you full control of the charging process. We have achieved this through our unique turn, tap, recharge technology. Simply turn your phone, double tap the solar panel, and release energy that will recharge your iPhone in 10% bursts, allowing you to take this action when it matters the most.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Please give us your full attention. Our crew is delighted to present Woolip, the travel pillow, which will revolutionize your in-flight comfort experience. You will find a comfort instructions card inside the seat pocket in front of you. It explains in detail the technical benefits of this extraordinary travel pillow. Please note that when you fly, tossing and turning to get to sleep, fighting to mark your armrest territory, and putting your head on your unknown neighbor's shoulder are now strictly prohibited thanks to Woolip. Join the elite circle of those who can finally sleep on a plane using Woolip. Facing down, from the side, back to front, supporting your chin or against a window, and also in any other means of transportation, but always seated. Grab the travel pillow from your hand luggage. Woolip, when deflated, is highly practical, being barely bigger than a smartphone and just as light. Take a deep breath to inflate the pillow with only 5 puffs. Remarkably, it deflates in less than 2 seconds thanks to its large opening valve. For maximum comfort, place the pillow on the tray table, relax the shoulders, and rest the head on top. You will be sound asleep in no time. Designed and patented by our captain Franck Lévy, the final product is the result of numerous prototypes. Inspired by a portable massage chair, his revolutionary pillow supports the upper body and head, thus avoiding back and neck pain. It will soon become the new must-have for travel.
With Starsailor, you can choose from a banquet of entertainment options that include a full nighttime concert of starlight, movies, videos, music, and your own personal slideshows. All of these magnificent options are at your fingertips for your personal enjoyment and evening comfort as you drift off into a peaceful and restful sleep.
Answering the call of nature, even when you're out in the wild, has never been easier or more convenient. Introducing Pee Pocket, the revolutionary new urinary device exclusively developed by a team of doctors for use by women all over the world. The Pee Pocket is a single-use waterproof funnel that allows women everywhere the remarkable advantage to relieve themselves while standing. Each unit comes in a discreet package that conveniently tucks away into an easy-to-reach accessory. And every packet includes a hygiene tissue wipe and a small disposable bag. Pee Pocket's durable, high-functional trifold design creates a remarkable fit every time, which eliminates wet hands or bottom. And when you're through, toss the Pee Pocket away or return the Pee Pocket and wipe to the disposable bag and discard.
I always misplace my keys. My name is Alex. With Smarky, all I need is my smartphone to open the door. With the Smarky app, I can send a temporary authorization to my Airbnb guests or my cleaning lady, or whoever I want really, and then they can enter my flat with their smartphone and I don't even need to be there.
Did you know that 95% of all mechanical keyboards are made for gamers? What about designers, writers, and basically everyone that just wants to enjoy a beautiful mechanical keyboard? Meet Low-Free, the first wireless mechanical keyboard that is stylish and designed for everyone. Designed with singular spherical round keycaps, the Low-Free mechanical keyboard makes typing easier and faster. Our keyboard switches are chosen carefully to make it sound exactly like a typewriter. Almost all mechanical keyboards are not compatible with Mac operating system. We engineered Low-Free to support every device, whether it's Mac, iOS, Windows, or Android. It also features the exact same keyboard layout as Apple's Magic Keyboard. With Low-Free, you can connect up to 3 devices simultaneously with Bluetooth and quick switch between them. With auto sleep mode and 3 different backlit settings, it's smart too. It also has 4 times more battery than other keyboards.
Are you having trouble finding the right cable out of the mess to charge your different devices? Forget about the cable frustration. This is Magbine, a beautifully designed cable for your Apple, Android, and any other devices with micro USB. You can easily connect Magbine to your phone or Android devices. Easy and quick connection to different devices with just the same cable. Unlike traditional cables that always get in your way when they're connected, Magbine ensures comfortable and smooth use, even when your device is charging, thanks to the right angle design. Also, because of the right angle design, Magbine doesn't bend when it's connected, which largely decreases the chances of cable damage from long time bending. Therefore, Magbine is much more durable than other cables. Leave in a hurry but battery still dead? No worries! With high quality and more robust wiring, Magbine charges your phone 30% faster. Of course, we all hate messy cables, but with Magbine's magnetic function, you can simply join both ends together and ready to go.
What an amazing city! I need to write about this place.
Did you ever miss a flash of creative genius? Well, you're definitely not alone.
I need to bring Jessica here. She would love this place. I have to share that with everybody.
We are building a first smart voice recording wearable. It's handy and allows you to capture your thoughts with a quick motion. Nothing to distract, so you can stay focused on what really matters to you. Organize your notes with hashtags and integrate them with your favorite apps. You can create voice memos, lists, and send reminders to your colleagues. Our device has some amazing features. It removes noise and runs it through our own AI system for noise pattern identification. Take notes and capture your greatest ideas with ease when you're out for a walk or run. It works offline just fine, so don't worry about leaving your phone at home. A full battery charge lasts for about 4 days of average